So welcome again for another video tutorial for basic integration sa integral calculus. So for our problem for this video, we have integral from 1 to 9 square root of x times quantity 4 minus x dx. So first, for our solution, let us transform this radical first into exponent fraction, okay? So gawin natin yung square root of x as, so kapag kinonvert mo siya or transform into exponent fraction form, so this will become x raised to 1/2, right? So magiging integral from 1 to 9 x raised to 1/2 times quantity 4 minus x dx. Okay, yun. Next is we just need to distribute this x raised to 1/2 sa each term dito sa loob. So, and together na lang siguro with the integral sign and the dx. This will become integral from 1 to 9. So, labas ko yung constant na 4 and then x raised to 1/2 dx. Okay? Minus, so for this one, x raised to 1/2 times x. So, if we have the same base, we just need to add their exponent. So, 1/2 plus 1, that is equal to 3 over 2. So, this will become integral from 1 to 9 x raised to 3 over 2 and then dx. Okay, so after, we just need to apply power rule of integration. So for the first term, x raised to 1/2 plus 1, that is equal to x raised to 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 minus, for this one, we have 3 over 2 plus 1, that is equal to 5 over 2. So this will become x raised to 5 over 2 over 5 over 2. And since this is a definite, we'll not add plus c, rather, we'll evaluate it from 1 to 9. And since we have a complex, let us simplify this first. So simplify muna natin siya. Take the reciprocal of 3 over 2, this is equal to 2/3, so that will become 8x raised to 3 over 2 over 3. And for this one, wait, this is 2. Bakit ano yun? 5 over 2. Yan. And then, this will become 2x raised to 5 over 2 over 5. Evaluate from 1 to 9. After, so we just need to plug in our upper limit and lower limit and subtract it. So for the first, for our upper limit, we have 8/3 and then 9 raised to 3 over 2 minus 2/5 and then 9 raised to 5 over 2 minus 8 over 3, 1 raised to 3 over 2 minus 2/5 and then 1 raised to 5 over 2. Okay, so sa kabilang term, sa kabilang side dito sa lower limit, so this is simply 8/3 and ito is 2/5 lang, diba? Kasi 1 lang to, so this is still equal to 1. So dito tayo mag-focus sa upper limit natin. So we have to simplify this one, apply natin yung laws of exponent. So, I mean, i-transform natin yung 9 as a power. So, yung 9, equivalent din sa 3 raised to 2, diba? So, 3 raised to 2, and then raised to 3 over 2. Minus, the same din sa kabila, gawin natin siyang 3 raised to 2, and then raised to 5 over 2. And dito sa kabila, this is just equal to 8/3. Negative, and then ito positive na to, 2/5, right? Yan. Next, simplify natin siya. So if we have power to power, we just need to multiply this one. So 2 times 3 over 2, so basically 2 will just cancel out, diba? And for the 3 squared raised to 5 over 2, so i-multiply mo lang yung 5 over 2 sa 2, so makakancel si 2, matitira is 5. So magiging ganito siya, 8/3 times 3 raised to 3, okay, minus 2/5 magiging 3 raised to 5, and for this one you have 8 thirds plus 2 fifths. Okay, yan. So next na gagawin, we just need to simplify this one. So for our simplification, siguro pwede ko i-simplify first yung ito. So may 3 ka, tas tatlong 3 dito. So the same lang ko, diba? So you just need to cancel out this denominator. So may matitirang dalawa pang 3 sa taas. So this will become 8 times 3 raised to 2 minus, so this one 3 raised to 5. So tatlong limang 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 27 times 81 times 3, that is equal to wait lang, 1 2 27 times 3 is 81, right? And then 81 times 3, that is equal to 243, right? Yeah, 243. Diba yan? Di na ako marunong mag-mental. Yan, 2 over 5, 243, minus 8 thirds, and then plus 2 fifths. Okay? Next na gagawin, ito masisimplify to as 9 times 8, that is equal to 72. So magiging 72 minus 240 times 2, that is equal to 484 over 5 minus 8 thirds and then plus 2 fifths. Okay, so for this one, notice that sino pang pwedeng i-add. Ito pwede ko pang i-add to, diba? Kasi the same sila ng denominator or the same fraction. So 484 plus 2, that is equal to negative 482. So this will become 72 minus 482 over 5 minus 8 thirds. Okay, simplify pa natin sila. I-combine natin sila all terms. So for our fraction, we have over 5 and over 3. So for our LCD, we just need to take 15, okay? Because 15 is divisible by 5 and 3. So magiging 15. So 15 times 72, automatic na to, diba? That is equal to, I think 1080. Sige, 1080 minus 15 times divide 5, that is 3, times 482, that is equal to, yan. Wait lang. Mali pala. This is dapat 6 pala to. 6. That is 6. Ayan. And dito is 4. Okay, di ko napansin. Yan. So ulit 6 pala to and this is 4. Okay. So 15 divide 5 is 3 times 484, that is equal to 1452. Minus 15 divide 3 is 5 times 8 is equal to 40. So, ano bang pwedeng i-ano? So, for this one, we have 180 minus 40, that is equal to 140 or 1040, right? And then, negative 1452 minus 1040, that is simply equal to, so ano bang simplify na to? 1040, so that is 2, 0, 4, 412, right? Mas malaki yung 1452, maging negative, and then 412 over 15. Yan. I think hindi na siya masisimplify. So ito na yung final answer in fraction form. Or if you want to approximate, that is approximately equal to negative 27.47 using calculator. Yan. Therefore, this is now our answer. So hopefully na-gets nyo, and thank you.